Are you trying to get swole, but you love macaroni and it's just a little too carb heavy? Let me introduce you to your new favorite dish. Pupas and cheese! Okay, so I'm gonna start out by cracking these guys open just to see what we're working with here. They're just kind of floating around in there. Give them a sniff. They really don't smell too bad. They kind of have this like beany, grainy smell to them. It's interesting. I'm starting out by making our cheese sauce with 50% cheese and 50% milk by weight. We'll heat our milk up to a simmer as we add our cheese and 2% of our milk and cheese weight in sodium citrate to a blender. Once our milk reaches a simmer, we can add that to everything else in the blender. Blend until smooth, and this is our simple cheese sauce. We'll chop some shallots and garlic because we definitely want something to cover up the strange smells coming from the pupas. I'm also slicing some green onions for a garnish. I then strain my beautiful pupas to get them ready to be tossed into a scorching hot wok. First, I'll oil my wok and then I'll add my pupas. Our pupas get tossed for a minute, then we'll add our shallots to cook for about 30 seconds before adding our other aromatics. This can all get stirred together and we'll finish it with some salt, soy sauce, vinegar, and finishing oil. Put on a plate and cover with cheese sauce and scallions. Now you have your beautiful pupas and cheese. You know how I was excited about yesterday's one? I'm not really excited about this one. There's like this distinct, subtle pupa aroma just hovering around the air around me and just a little bit nauseating. Kind of love it though. Some good pupas. Why did I do this? It's just kind of lingering in my mouth, the pupa taste. I should take another bite at least. Yeah, it really doesn't grow on me. I think it keeps getting worse. Yeah, I think I've had enough pupas. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, subscribe. If I reach 500 subscribers by the end of the week, I'll do more mac and cheese. Probably next time without pupas. That was